Hello everyone and welcome to another video. So in this video I want to discuss a very important topic. So what we covered so far was related to goals, how to stay motivated and dedicated to those goals. But what is also important in your journey to achieving your goals is what is happening up here. So it's related to your mindset. I think Buddha said that, and it's very to the point that whatever you think, you become. So let's break it down and try to understand why mindset is such an important factor in achieving anything in life, not only your goals, but also overall well-being of yourself. So what we usually do, we try to force ourselves to believe in something, even if that is not really the case, but our mind plays tricks with us and we try to believe in certain things. For example, or maybe others think I'm not good enough for something. So in reality, it's not someone else that believes certain thing is wrong with you, but rather you telling yourself that something is wrong with me. And what we are trying to do, we are trying to think about people and then convert it to ourselves. So basically, we think that others think certain things about ourselves. That's a bit crazy, right? But in reality, that's our belief about ourselves. I can bring a personal experience. So I was studying abroad, and in that country, basically, I was not feeling welcomed. And I was thinking that people are looking differently when they look at me. But was it people, or was it my mind playing tricks with me? See, when you label yourself something like I'm not beautiful, I'm old, I'm different, then you start act like it, right? You start believing it so much that you become it basically. And people surrounding you, they start seeing yourself in that way, but in reality you start behaving in that way. So what is important here is to stop your mind when you see that it goes in a way that it tries to label you something. Don't let it play tricks on you. Don't let it tell you that you are not beautiful enough or you are old for something. So I have personal experience here, what I did and what helped me actually to overcome those mind tricks. Of course, it's easy to say stop your mind, but very often it's our subconscious mind that is starting to play with us, and we are not even able sometimes to catch it and stop it at the right moment. So in reality, what you have to do and what helped me actually over times, there are 3 things that I want to share with you and want you to try it yourselves and let me know whether it will work for you. Because actually when I tried that in a very short time period for a week or 2 weeks, I start seeing difference in my behavior and what I think and what I label myself. So first of all, what is important is working out. So you might think that's not related with your mind, because when you work out, you usually use your body instead of mind. But what is happening in reality is you are taking control of your mind. When you work out, your body always tries to push it to the limits, but your mind is trying to keep you safe, because that's the function of your mind, right? To keep you in a safe situation. And what is happening when you work out and you try to push it further, even though your mind is telling you to stop, you actually start taking control of your mind. And not only that, not only you are practicing of taking control of your mind, but you are also becoming more confident when you look yourself in the mirror and you see yourself differently then, because you are fit now. So now when looking into the mirror, you're telling yourself, hey, I'm very beautiful actually. I have a fit body, I'm healthy. And also your depression or your stress goes away, which are also key factors because your mind becomes more clear. And it's a personal experience because I can have a difficult day and I can feel stressed or depressed, but once I go to the gym and I come back, my mood is actually very different. I'm more confident, the stress is gone, depression is gone. And over time, I start to see that my mindset is changing as well. So give it a try and let me know in the comments. The second thing is meditation. And that's another aspect where you directly target your mind. What I usually do, I meditate about 10 minutes, and it's only breathing meditation under a certain meditation music, which you can find in YouTube as well. Turn it on, put in your headphones and try to not think about anything. Your mind is going, especially in the beginning, your mind is going to bring thoughts. It's going to be difficult to control your thoughts in the beginning, but over time you start practicing and you start controlling your mind. So you need to stop thinking about anything for 10 minutes and focus on your breathing. And actually that helped me, and over time I saw how calm I become, how confident I become, and how controlled I become in certain situations. So that's the second point. Give it a try and also let me know in the comments. And the final and third point for me are reading books, but not books that just books, books that are related to self-development, right? So try to look into the books. I can also recommend in my channel, that's for another video, what kind of books help me actually. But try to find books that are self-motivating and from people that achieved something. They achieved financial freedom, or they achieved spiritual freedom, right? And give it a try. Try reading and let me know what happens. And those were the 3 points I wanted to discuss and cover in this video. As usual, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next videos. Peace.